A long time ago, in a distant kingdom lived a young man named Charles. Life was hard for him. Every day, he searched for work to earn money. After working, he would return home, cook, eat, and sleep. One day, after failing to find work, he walked home feeling disappointed. Just then, an old man called out, "Can I find a laborer here?" Charles turned and saw an old man carrying 3 heavy bags. "Yes, I can help," Charles replied. The old man said, "I need to go to the next village, but 1 bag is too heavy for me. If you carry it, I will pay you 3 gold coins." Charles agreed and picked up the bag. "This is very heavy," he said. The old man whispered, "It's full of bronze coins." Though it was heavy, Charles carried it and walked with the old man. He noticed the old man kept watching him. "He doesn't trust me," Charles thought, "but I am honest and just want to earn my wages." Soon they reached a river. Charles stepped into the water, but the old man hesitated. "I am too weak to carry 2 bags across. Can you take another one? I'll give you 3 more gold coins." Charles agreed, but the old man warned, "Promise you won't run away. This bag has silver coins." Annoyed, Charles replied, "I am not a thief. Give me the bag." He carried both across the river. After walking some distance, they reached a steep hill. Charles started climbing, but the old man stopped. "I can't carry this bag up." Charles offered to take it, but the old man hesitated. "This one has gold coins. If you run away, I can't stop you." Charles sighed. "I told you I am honest. I once worked as a bookkeeper, but refused to cheat people, so I quit." The old man finally gave him the last bag. "Go ahead, I will follow." Charles climbed alone, but temptation crept in. "If I take these bags, the old man won't catch me.
I will be rich. I can live in comfort and never struggle again." Greed won, and Charles ran home. He eagerly opened the bags, only to find stones inside. Shocked, he noticed a note. "I am the king of this kingdom. I seek an honest heir. If you
Had not run, you would have been my son." Regret filled Charles. One moment of greed had cost him everything. This story teaches that our thoughts shape our destiny. A single bad decision can change everything. Staying honest is what truly matters.